Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a scatter chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a scatter chart on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So I just going to add a new slide, and then I just going to click on this icon option, and now you just need to swipe down to the bottom section, and here you can find the option called chart. Click on this chart option. Now change the column chart, click on this, and you will see option on the scatter chart on the bottom section. Click this. So here you can find a lot of scatter chart. You just choose the which chart you just needed, or you can just swipe to sideways so you can find more charts. Click on the chart and click on OK option, so it will be here, and you can just extend it, you can resize it, and you can just resize it, and you can zoom the slide to know, and just double tap here and you can just edit the chart, or click on the edit data. So here you can change the chart name, and click OK. You can see it's automatically it will be updated here. If it is not updated, you just need to select, double tap here and click on the edit data or copy paste, and you will see a lot of options here. And you just need to change the theme set. You just need to click on this icon, just click on this chart first and click on this icon option. Here you can find different colors, so you can just change it. And this is how you just insert a scatter chart on your WPS presentation mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.